Hello YouTube land. So as you can see, I'm probably here. She's running. Multi back together. Running pretty solid. Getting a lot of wires, a lot of parts. We're going after a few gremlins. She's going good. I've already started cleaning up her entire side here. Now, I can probably tell the door's not fully mounted properly yet, and the door swapped because this one was so beaten up I didn't trust it. So that 04 gave us another part. Interiors come together. That door's gathered right now for the wiring harness just coming in. Now, Passme's gonna jump in right now and talk about this. Never my entire life have I been more happy to have these plugs here. Oh my god, where'd it go? I just threw it, I guess. Here's the one that they cut. Ford put a midsection in here. I unplugged it, and now I have a full new cable. Oh my god, I am so fucking relieved. Now I gotta work the rest of the wiring. But it's one major fucking hurdle I don't gotta deal with anymore. Oh. Quote that one teacher got dragged around by his head. This is bullshit. Oh my god, look how small these goddamn wires are. Oh, I'm regretting life right now. On the bright side, this is done. This one is done. That one is done. Oh, my back hurts. I'm just doing snippets right now because this is really fucking annoying. But you'll see more of this once I do a daylight in the morning. So back to future me. And again, but now, unfortunately, the blend door seems to be stuck. Not sure if the compressor is working. Let's find out. Nope, it is locked up tight. Interior has been taken care of, as you guys saw. Decals are coming off. Oh, that door's locked. Still need that switch. But she's coming together nicely. I tried to reverse engineer a different harness and make it work. Started to, and then got word that the proper one that was found. Went to the junkyard 4 times, including 2 that were farther away than I bought this car. Pull off that stuff over here. That was loud. Still got the little jerry can right there. Had to fix it just now because the line broke. Never showed you guys the trunk, so let's go back here. That was weird. See, the old harnesses or stuff still back here. And there's a switch. Another Crown Vic guy said it's for a low jack. That's false. What the hell? It sets off an alarm inside. That's interesting. Huh. That's a bee. That is a big angry bee. Surprise, motherfucker! I don't know what you were doing in there, buddy. But you're gonna regret it. God damn. Hitting shit at me. But we got the full package back here. Huh, where'd you run off to? Oh, you're right back there now. Also found out, if you look way back there, there are some LEDs back here. Not in the third brake light. I checked that one already. That's not for Crown Vic, I don't think. Find a little bit. I'm gonna have to go and test a few things in this, because now I want to find out what else I'm missing. Oh, I forgot to turn off that light in back. Huh. I also picked up a spare tire. I know it's shot and dry rotted, but spare tire. I just need to hold air. But yeah, this is where we're at right now. She's running smooth. Not a care in the world right now. Just need to get this rest of this glue off. That'll be later on because I gotta pick up my wife and daughter. I am damn proud of how well this is coming out though. Had to buy a computer. These headlights were free. The markers were free as well because they didn't check them when I went to the junkyard. Spotlight was $100 from the auction. Doors were about $40 a piece with all the parts. Harnessing cost me about $25. But yeah. She has come a long way. If I remember, I'll hook up a strobe kit and see how she looks. I'm sure you can see it, but the strobes are working. I can't believe how well she's running right now. But anywho. You know what? I'm gonna try something. Actually, that won't work. So yeah, that's where we're at right now. Running Crown Vic. Stuck blend door. Give her a little wash, a little clean. Maybe a detail later on. She'll be right as rain. But anywho, that's it for right now. Oh, the airbag lights in the seat. It's not hooked up yet. I have a harness for it. The door is open. Yada yada. Oh yeah, I also have a wow. I didn't realize how wow that light goes right through. You can see it right there. I have a new mirror right here from an F-150 that'll fit. Yeah, that's all for now. Thanks for watching. So, past me jumping in again, because I just learned some shit. This is the cluster that came from mine. I just pulled up the top half of it. And, yeah, I'm missing the entire setup here. So I pulled the Marquis one. And, yeah, it's pretty much plug and play. But I can also take these nice little white needles for myself. But the question is, do I want to do that? You'll find out what I decide in a minute. Well, hello YouTube land. So, as you can hear, she's running. She's not too happy right now. Oh, actually has died because I pinched the fuel line there. That's on me. Okay, that's what the fight. She's running surprisingly good. hot damn. Their brake light works. Hot damn. Fuel pump still doesn't work. I'd be dumping fuel right now. Beautiful. Yeah, hit the button. Alright, well, yeah. She fires right up. She's not happy, but she runs. Power steering is a little unhappy still. Again, temporary setup. This is my little jerry rig can. Yeah, she's definitely not happy. She needs some help, but she'll come back. Again, she has a weak fuel pump too going on, so she's not adjusting to that very well. But I'm on the way to the junkyard right now. About an hour and a half away. Let's see how that goes. Harness and the doors all fully gutted out. Trying to fix the other harness, but that didn't work out. Mileage is a little off. But she's running. That was bad. But yeah. She's going. Gotta figure where this damn hose goes to. I know it goes back there, but I don't know where exactly. But for right now, though, she should be good enough to move a few feet. Did they cut the cats out of her? I think they cut the cats out of her. That's unfortunate. Oh, maybe not. And she's launching out, oh, she's been sitting since 2016, so forgiven. She didn't like that. Ooh, what's going on, girl? Ah, the fuel pump came unhooked. Well, but that's the reason. Yeah, the fuel pump is weak. Oh well, it's doing what it has to do right now. But for right now, though, that's a lot of progress for her, considering where she came from, how she was treated, and yada yada yada.